Can you tell I don't really cook? Hello, and welcome to my meal prep for the week. This is actually the most meal prepping I think I've ever done. But I also need to make my lunch for today because this meal prepping is gonna take forever and I'm already hungry. So we're also gonna make some lunch. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but we need to get started. So for my lunch, I am gonna have 2 of these chicken tendies. It's only gonna take 12 minutes. Hells yeah. Let me quickly put them into the air fryer. That is our air fryer all the way over there. Join me. All right, the first thing that we're gonna start to meal prep, I'm making butter chicken burritos, which is from the Stealth Health cookbook. My partner bought it, we're gonna use the cookbook. I have 1.3 kilos of chicken. I only need 1 kilo, but I'm just gonna cook it all. If I have extra burritos, I have extra burritos. This is my least favorite part. I hate this with my whole being. Can I use this knife? My mom is sitting in the living room. Or what's a good knife to cut chicken? This one? Can you tell I don't really cook? Oh, I need a bowl. My mic died and all my siblings just got home from school. Not all of them. My brother got back home. So there's a lot of background noise, that's why. But for lunch, I'm making my lunch real quick. I have a tortilla. I'm going to put 50 grams of cottage cheese on there and I don't know how much avocado, sriracha, and then the tenders that just finished. Yum.
So now I'm just going to marinate the chicken, and I added a bunch of spices and a little bit of light Greek yogurt. In all honesty, I don't even remember what spices I added anymore. I know obviously there's a little bit of salt, a little bit of minced garlic, and some cumin. And I'm really mixing it through, making sure every single piece of chicken is completely smothered. Okay, now I'm moving on to just cooking my beef mince. I'm using this 5-star ground beef mince from Aldi, and literally I'm just put a little bit of oil in the pan and I'm cooking it up. Now guys, I didn't use any seasoning on the beef mince. Please season your mince. I now just use like a taco seasoning on them every single time, and it's so much better than plain fucking mince.
Alright, now we get to move on to the thing I'm probably most excited to meal prep, my breakfast. I'm going to be making some pancake bowls that I did see on TikTok. And I literally bought containers just to make these damn pancake bowls. I bought some glass containers. Now I'm making 4 for myself and then 1 for Trouble because obviously he needs to try one. Okay, I have it. It's by the creator Amanda I don't actually know how to say that name. That's who I got this recipe off. This is about to be a little bit nuts because the recipe is for 1, so I need to put 1 in each thing, so wish me luck. First, mix the ingredients together in the pancake bowl and set aside. So all the ingredients for the actual pancake itself.
For the pancake bowls, you're going to need 25 grams of flour per bowl, obviously. Then you're going to add 1 scoop of protein powder. I am using the Body Science high protein vanilla, which is about 20 grams per scoop. Obviously, different protein powders are going to make the calories for this thing different, so just make sure you're checking which protein powder you're using. Then you're going to add cinnamon. Please measure with your heart. I added so much damn cinnamon. The more cinnamon, the better.
Also, this is how much left I have of my lunch.
Then we're going to add some baking powder. Now, baking powder helps the pancakes actually rise. I only added like 1 teaspoon. Then an egg goes in each one. Mine says large eggs on the packet, so that's just what I used. Then 100 milliliters of skim milk. Once again, if you use a different milk, the calories will be different, so just check which milk you decide to use. Then we're going to mix it all up. I preferred using a fork, but as you will see in a second, there was another method you could use.
Hey everyone, this is my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She's the chef of the family, the baker. She does most of the cooking in the house. Okay, that one looks the best, and it's because Mum mixed it. Wow, I feel really uncoordinated. Look at that. my god, I don't know how to. Okay, that's really hard. I'm just gonna go back to mixing real quick. Woo!
Just gotta flick your wrist around.
Oh my god, that's so hard.
I'll show you.
Big shout out to my mother here who ended up whisking all of the pancake bowls for me. Teamwork really does make the dream work.
Cinnamon roll pancake bowls. Perfect. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello vlog.
Alright, so the next step now is to make like sort of the cinnamon scroll filling. So we're going to use 5 grams of margarine and then cinnamon, more cinnamon, heaps of cinnamon, lots of cinnamon, and then just kind of mix it up and then divide it.
It says nuke it in the microwave. It goes in the microwave. I didn't know that. All the other ones that I've seen, I swear, go in the oven. That's why you make them in a glass container. I'm gonna do it in 1 minute increments because I don't want it to like explode. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to actually, you know what? I'm gonna try and put one in the oven and see if it works better in the oven or the microwave. That's some top tier thinking. Don't you reckon? Okay, 3 minutes in the microwave and it's cooked. It does not look as good as
No, but it smells good.
It does smell really good. We got some Philadelphia light cream cheese because it's the best. I love cream cheese so much. We're just making the little, the icing, I guess.
So to make the nice little bit that goes on top of the cinnamon scroll, we're using 25 grams of cream cheese, light cream cheese, and then a little dash of almond milk, and then mixing and spreading that on top.
Guys, it's 4:30. I started meal prepping before 3 o'clock. Now, literally tomorrow morning, I get to chuck this in the microwave for what? Maybe 30 seconds? Breakfast done. Guys, can you tell which one was in the oven? Look how like good the one in the oven looks compared to like the ones in the microwave. But like that took way longer. I think these took 3 minutes. This is quick. That looks delicious though. 2 Whippets, then I'm gonna put hot water, and then I'm gonna put one of these protein puds. And then after I do this, I just gotta cut up my tomatoes, put them in a container, cut up all my lettuce, put that in a container, and then I'm gonna just call myself done for the day. And then I'll meal prep my burritos another day. We're all the way over here in the kitchen. I've added the hot water so like they're just like soft now. And now I'm just gonna dump one of these in each one and literally done. And then that's literally boom, done. Alright, the last thing I'm doing for today is to cut up these tomatoes, put them in a container, and cut up this whole lettuce. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't mind me right now. I'm just doing my outdoor walk and editing, a little bit of habit stacking going on. But thank you guys so much for watching my little meal prep with me. If you really like this video, let me know because I meal prep every single week and I would be happy to do more of these videos for you guys. Also, if you have any recipes you think that I should try, please comment them below, recommend them to me. I love trying new recipes, new foods. I've been trying so many different high protein, low cal recipes since being on 75 hard. But that is all for me today. So until next time, because I know you'll be back. Bye.